Welcome to our channel. Choosing a reliable used engine supplier complete guide. 1. Check the supplier's reputation. Please search for online reviews, ratings, and customer feedback on Google, Facebook, and auto forums. 2. Verify their experience. Choose suppliers who have been in the business for years. They usually offer better quality and service. 3. Ask about engine history. Ensure the supplier provides details like mileage, previous usage, and maintenance records. 4. Look for warranty options. Reliable suppliers give at least 3 to 6 months warranty on used engines. 5. Check for testing and inspection. Ask if the engine has been compression tested or inspected before sale. 6. Compare prices. Don't go for the cheapest. Compare prices with multiple suppliers to find fair value. 7. Confirm compatibility. Make sure the engine matches your vehicle's model, year, and VIN number. 8. Request photos or videos. A trusted supplier will share clear images or videos of the actual engine condition. 9. Check return and replacement policy. Understand if they offer replacement if the engine fails early. 10. Choose secure payment options. Use trusted payment methods. Avoid suppliers who only accept cash without paperwork. Thank you for watching.